city don't sleep. Rivers run strong, carrying secrets they keep. Whisper stories the hills never leave. Heart of the hills, it beats so strong. From Campbell to Nelson, we all belong. Voices rise together, steady and strong. This is our anthem, this is our song. Lynchburg skies where the peaks touch the blue. Amherst echoes with legends still true. Appomattox soil holds the red, white, and blue. Every stone speaks of the journey we knew. Fields stretch wide, roads wind tight. Past and present glow so bright. Heart of the hills, it beats so strong. From Campbell to Nelson, we all belong. Voices rise together, steady and strong. This is our anthem, this is our song. Haefer skies where the peaks touch the blue. Amherst echoes with legends still true. Appomattox soil holds the red, white, and blue. Every stone speaks of the journey we knew. Fields stretch wide, roads wind tight. Past and present glow so bright.